Hello fam and welcome back to our channel. So this would be the last show home muna for this week at nakakaapat na tayo. So andito pa rin tayo sa Lewiston, north of Calgary. So I think this is still in the northeast. So titingnan naman natin bahay ay 2,400 square feet. 825K siya fam. But with all the promotions that they have right now, ang laki ng discount nito. Roughly around 70K discount. So parang 750K na lang siya ng bahay. So pagpasok, imagine this would be the main entrance fam. Right? Pagpasok nyo, boom, open to above ang ceiling niya. And then this would be your jacket. Ayan, diyan kayo magka-closet. Then just go straight to the right or to the left muna tayo. Ginawa nila ng isang bedroom dito pero more or less this could be an office space. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Good spot naman siya. Good size siya. With of course windows. Ayan. Okay, so let's proceed. So going just straight ay nandito ang living room. Or I could call it the first living room. Kasi parang may nakikita akong isang living room pa dun fam. So nilagyan nila ng divider dito. Parang siguro meron silang preference. But then first living room, meron ditong dining. And full bath. Yeah. So it's practical to have a full bath kasi nga fam, merong room dito, 'di ba? So para yung natutulog dito, di na kailangan umakyat sa taas. Ayan. So ang ganda. Pero hindi masyadong gusto to ni Mommy yung color kasi it's a moss green color. But okay, let's go. Tuloy natin muna ang first floor.
212 sales,
Ayan.
door open.
So, quick pan dito. Yan. Tapos yun, small living room muna dyan. And pag dumiretso ka fam, nandito ang main living room. Diba? So kakaiba siya. Actually, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. Quick pan tayo from right to left. There you go. So yan ang kitchen. I like the kitchen. Hindi siya masyadong malaki. Hindi siya maliit. Good size. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng granite. Okay. There you go. Siyempre, yung favorite ulit natin. Yan. Gasol. Hindi electric, di ba? So, ang ganda ng mga finish nila. Siyempre, soft close yan. And I like this kasi white. Ang ganda-ganda ng white. Ang linis niyan tingnan, fam. So, let's pan here. Okay. Good size. I like it. I like it. Okay. And quick dito, nilock na nila. But then a full balcony from left to right. Pinuno nila yung balcony, fam. So, ang ganda. Kasi parang ang daming taong pwedeng tumambay sa labas. So, it's really, really nice. It's really, really nice. So, again, this is 825 less parang around 70K. It's just gonna be 750K. And they have a full 2-bedroom legal basement. Let's check it out. And okay. Good size. Okay, dito muna tayo to the right. So, pagkababa to the right, ano to? Toilet, yeah, full bath. Ayan, ganda ng pagkaka-furnish nila. It's full bath and your first bedroom. Okay. With the window over there. Ganda. Ganda ng finish nito. Mahawakan nga to, fam. Nautuwa ako dun, ah. Ang galing, ah. Mukhang totoo talaga, ha. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so quick pan. Okay, so this is the first bedroom dito sa basement. Good size closet. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, labas na tayo. So yung kitchen niya, fam, ay hindi maliit. It's actually a very good size kitchen. Ayan. Parang konting laki pa kitchen na namin siya sa townhouse namin. Although yung townhouse kasi namin, nakikita nyo may parang may center island pa dito na malaki. Pero yeah, siguro extend pa to ng konti. Parang yung townhouse na namin. Then, oh, nice. So, andito yung pantry. Very practical na nilagay dito ang washing machine and dryer. And alam mo yung medyo cute na washing machine and dryer for small family. Ayan. So, pwede ka talaga tong mortgage helper, fam, kung gusto nyo. So, there you go. Naka-set up na siya. Ready to go. Ayan. Alright, so let's continue. Good size actually. Magandang maganda. It's really nice. Magandang maganda. So, to continue, ito yung dining. And ito yung living room, fam. Good size living room. Ganda. And then again, walk out lot siya ulit. With those pillars na napakaganda tingnan. Ganda nung pillars na yan. And walk out lot. So, diretso, fam. Baba nyo. Labas lang kayo. Then again, there you go. Quick pan tayo dyan. So, napakalaki. Siguro, same size siya ng townhouse namin, yung lapad niya. So, konting lapad pa for our townhouse. Pero yung length niya, fam, ay more or less the same. Yan. So, napakaganda. Yeah, I was just telling the video, love, na halos singhaba ng townhouse natin. Pero yung lapad, dagdagan mo pang konti. Townhouse na natin, eh.
Mommy, could you
Ayan, so, and let's check the other bedroom.
Daddy, this is
Ayan.
look, you cannot press it.
It's a fake computer. Okay, ayan. So, isang bedroom pa to. So, it could be an office. It could be whatever you want. Based on your imagination.
This is Daddy.
I know. Alright, and of course, you have a view here.
Cannot see.
Ang ganda, pag walk out lot. Ganda-ganda. So, yun nga, fam, parang kakatingin namin ng mga property around Calgary. Mas nagugustuhan ko talaga ang walk out lot. Kasi parang ang laki-laki niyang tingnan. Tapos pwede ka kasing lumabas diretso. So, kung may gusto kang gawin with your yard, with your backyard, pwede mo agad siyang gawin. So, iba yung feeling ng walkout lot pala. Tawag. So, there you go, fam. At akyat naman tayo sa taas. Let's go
Daddy, that's when I
upstairs.
tripped up.
Okay. Ayan. So, dito sa first living room nga. Ayan. Okay. Wala nga lang siyang window dito, but it's fine. And pag-akyat, diretso, fam, may good size na family room. Ayan, so mag-enjoy mga kids dito. Tambay sila. Dito sila maglalaro. And the TV would be here. Perfect. Ang galing. Ang ganda. So, kaliwa muna tayo. Dito ang okay, closet. Full bath. At close kasi sa common rooms na dalawa. Ayan, so ang ganda. Okay, so first, common room here. Okay. Pan pa tayo dito. Ayan, that's the first common room. Normal size, good size, decent size. And the closet. Yung okay dito, fam, ay may view din ang common room. Ayan. So, hindi siya malungkot. Okay. So, yung mga kids, at least kung nandito, may view din sila. So, let's go to the next common room. Okay, nice. Pero may walk-in closet na siya, fam. So, this is the second common room. Okay. And wow. Meron pala siyang toilet na, fam, dito. So, this is really good. This is really good. Yeah. So, pwede itong pang grandma and grandpa na room. And syempre, may view. Okay. So, let's go to the other room. At feeling ko yun ang masters. Napakalaki. Oh. Yeah. Kakaiba, fam, yung opening ng door na to. Kasi dalawang open door talaga eh. So, ang sabi ni Mommy, mukhang yun daw pala ang masters, fam. Pero weird, kasi usually ang masters kasi nakaseparate eh. So, ito yung nakaseparate na room. So, let's just check this out. Ayan, quick pan tayo. Napakaganda. Good size. Mas malaki yung sa townhouse namin na room. Pero good size siya. Very good. At ang view dito ay road. Ayan. Road view na siya. Okay. So there you go. Ayan. So, dalawang masters. Basically. At, of course, the private toilets here too. Ayan. So, dalawang masters pala to. And isang common room. So, mamimili na lang ang mommy and daddy kung saan. So, ganda-ganda. Okay. So, that's about it. Again, uupo muna tayo dito sa kanilang magandang family room. So, there you go, fam. At natapos natin ang 4th house natin for this week. So, I hope madami kayong natutunan din. Ang dami naming natutunan ni Donna. Kasi aside from touring kasi, kinakausap talaga namin yung agent. And ang dami nilang nabibigay na knowledge, additional knowledge. Like nga, yung GST discounts, yung lot discount, yung house discount. Tsaka may mga ibang information sila about walkout lots. Mas maganda siya, mas mabilis na mag-appreciate yung value. Kasi nga, mas parang feeling ko din talaga mas astig siya. And the developed basement, may mga different options pala yung fam na hindi namin alam. And yung build quality and yung material. So, ang dami-daming natututunan pag nagtutour kayo sa mga bahay-bahay. Hindi lang siya entertaining at the same time. So, there you go, fam. And again, with this house, this is $825 as is. But ang dami nilang discounts ngayon na pumapatak na lang to around $750. So, there you go. And dun sa, again, mga friends namin dyan sa Vancouver and Toronto, mga family ko dyan sa Toronto, hello. So, this is what you get for your $825 or rather $750 after discount. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo, fam. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, 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 please don't forget to subscribe. It's a 60% na nanonood sa amin. Please do. And I'll see you on the next video. Hang loose from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. We'll see you on the next video.